Hi everyone, Armine Bazikyan here. I wanted to talk about powers of attorney over financial assets and what rights and powers you may be giving to your agent that you are unaware of. So we all know about a power of attorney document. A lot of people will have it in place, and a power of attorney essentially covers or names a person to make decisions for you in different scenarios. It might be because you're incapacitated and can't make decisions yourself over your finances. It might be over a certain transaction because you're out of town. So for the most part, it serves a specific purpose, or it could be a durable general power of attorney, which means it covers anything and everything in your name and it lasts beyond your capacity. And we've also discussed in the past that a power of attorney can give the rights upon your capacity, meaning it only works if you're mentally ill and cannot make decisions for yourself, or it could be immediate, meaning the person can act on your behalf even if you're just fine and you're doing it as well. So let's talk about one particular specific power that you might be delineating in your power of attorney document. So a lot of times people will ask and they will definitely want to make sure that their power of attorney has the right to make changes to their estate documents. And it could be in limited scope. So for example, the power of attorney might say, I give my agent the power to change the beneficiaries on my retirement account. I give my power of attorney the right to change beneficiaries in my trust document. So the problem arises when your POA actually has this right in there. You give this power to your agent to make those changes. But then on the flip side, when we read the trust says under no conditions can anyone but the person that created this trust make changes. So you have to make sure that your trust provisions are written correctly. So if it's your desire and your wish to have your power of attorney be able to go in and make some limited changes in your estate plan if you're ever too sick to do it yourself, then you have to make sure that your trust also allows your power of attorney to make those changes. Otherwise, you have two documents that are inconsistent with one another. And a lot of times when you go through like these document preparation services or an attorney who's not experienced or specializes in this area of law, they end up creating documents that are inconsistent and they don't function well in the real world. So make sure that if you do have a trust in place and a POA in place over your financials, make sure that your power of attorney and your trust actually work together in the scenarios that you would want them to work together and that there is no inconsistencies. That's the #1 red flag that I see with powers of attorney documents. If you do have trust documents and you'd like us to help you review them and answer any questions you might have, feel free to call our office. We'd be happy to help.